The Extension Starter is an offering of our Savanta Innovation Factory for SAP BTP that gives clear structure and guidance to development teams to realize extensions from use case ideation towards the actual shipment of the production-ready solution. An extension normally refers to custom coding, so to say pro code implementation. Here we normally use UI5 technologies, Fiori or SAP CAP for implementation of middlewares. Normally the development of an extension also includes the realization of integration scenarios. Here we can talk either about integration with SAP or non-SAP systems on cloud or on-premise. The Extension Starter is suitable to start with small POCs or MVPs and also gives all the flexibility needed to scale later on by adding additional sprints within the agile approach. The Extension Starter basically consists of 4 steps. We usually start with the design phase. There we start with the ideation of the use case and the requirement specification, creating mock-ups and scribbles based on the requirements we elaborate in design thinking workshops together with the customer. In the engineering phase, the SAP BTP Solution Architect creates a technical concept based on the requirements elaborated in the design phase. This includes identification of the required BTP services, doing all the necessary BTP readiness and integration readiness checks, and preparing the technical documentation in a way that the development team can later start efficiently with the implementation based on the technical concept. The second step is the engineering phase. The engineering phase is about the technical concept. Important to mention here is that it's not a sequential approach, but that the engineering phase is conducted in parallel with the design phase, so that we are in close collaboration between UX designers and architects, and to map the requirements from the design phase to a technical solution concept. The production phase of the Extension Starter is the actual implementation of the extension. It includes the project setup from a technical point of view and, of course, all the development activities. Here the team is working in an agile mode, and besides the technical implementation, it also conducts all necessary steps to prepare the deployment and the go-live. Important to mention is that also during the production phase, UX designers and solution architects are still involved, so that UX concept and solution concept can be adjusted if we find out during the implementation phase that adjustments are necessary. Finally, in the shipment phase, the team executes all necessary tasks that are relevant for a successful go-live. This means executing test strategies, automated tests with unit tests and integration tests, as well as manual testing and user acceptance testing. Additionally, preparation and execution of deployment are carried out. The Extension Starter provides a high degree of flexibility. Based on the actual use case and the complexity and size of the use case, it's possible to increase or to reduce the number of sprints, and so to fit the approach to your needs. Currently, I'm engaged as SAP BTP Solution Architect in one of our customer projects. In this project, we plan to build an extension with SAP Fiori Elements and the SAP Cloud Application Programming Model. This extension needs also to be integrated with cloud solutions such as Qualtrics and the SAP Cloud for Customers. We leverage the cloud platform integration for this.